What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna cut up this BMW. Yes, I don't care what you say. All right, I'm gonna cut it up, and it's gonna get done. Okay, be right back. Today's the day. Hey, Manhole, guess what?
Today's not the day.
Today's the day. I don't care what you say. I'm gonna cut this fender. I don't care what you say. And let's find out what's going on over there real quick. What's going on in here?
So we did a full gut out of this car, and we're actually gonna make this nice and pretty, especially for shows and events. Is we're going to actually paint this car, paint the interior actually this similar color of the Nardo Gray, and just to make this look a lot cleaner and to go with everything else with the rear seat deletes that were powder coated. So it's gonna look fabulous.
So we got his wheels because we don't have the wheels for this car yet, but I need something wide enough to kind of get a rough idea. But it's already been taped up, it's already been bolted on, mocked on, and I've got all my holes ready to go. And I kind of give myself a little bit of wiggle room, another bit of wiggle room, and this is where I'm actually going to cut it so we have somewhat of a reference point. So let's go. But first, safety first. Oh, look who's recording it.
Look at this recording too.
I know.
Look at this fool wearing glasses indoors. Look at that fool.
Hey, safety first, all right?
Sure.
You're not gonna do it. You know what I should have done first? I should have taken your wheel off.
Yeah, I was just looking at that. I was like, oh, he's gonna slice right through my wheel.
No, I won't be fine. Guys, what's going on? I just got back from work and oh my god.
All the hard work.
Hey, buddy.
Make me do all the hard work, guys.
I came back from work. My boy over here, Mel, he's running through a rough time right now. But guess what? When doors close, when doors close,
The doors is closing right now.
God, no! When doors close, new doors open up. There's always better and new opportunities.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. But, guys, this color is amazing. I don't know what's going on with my beard, but check this out. This is so hard to tell, but that is somewhat, well, actually that's actually the original color, and then that right there is an amazing color. Let me flip this around real quick. Whew! I mean, that looks phenomenal. I love this color. Oh man, this color actually stands out so well. It looks like some BMW with their M division. It looks like something that they would actually use.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's so pretty. I'm sorry I had you do all the hard work, bud. I'm sorry.
I'm used to it, guys.
It's okay. But oh man, look guys, we got the hood painted, we've got the fender flares painted, the side skirts, that front bumper, and then there's a rear bumper for that. My boy Mehul has been at work. So he got by himself, and with a little bit of help with me, got this side done, got the other side done, and all the wide body pieces, the side skirt, the inlays, the fenders, he did it by himself. Good job. I was having some family time because my cousin actually just graduated high school, and we just kind of want to just hang out with him, even though we hang out every week.
He left me, guys.
He left me.
But he feels like I left him alone, but he's always leaving me alone.
Whoa!
But the goal for today is to get the hood wrapped and the bumper wrapped at least.
At least just to help me lay it, that I can go and do all the trimming and cutting.
So if we can get that done, mostly this is going to be easy. This is
Yeah,
going to be
this
real
is
easy. So we're gonna knock this off and we're gonna finish that off.
I just needed a second person to help me hold it and lay it and stretch it. I couldn't do this by myself. It's too big.
Don't worry, we'll show you how to actually wrap your hood. It's not that hard. The hood's actually the easiest portion to do.
Yeah.
So here we go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to lay out your material. First, actually measure out from, I guess, up and down and then left and right, length and width.
You also gotta keep in mind if some of the wrap is directional or not. If you do like any kind of color shift, they are directional. This is Avery. Some Averys are not directional, some are directional. Luckily, this one isn't directional, so we can actually manipulate if it's gonna go this way or that way.
So also with carbon fiber, that is definitely directional.
Yes.
But this is such an easy and pliable material to use. That's why we love using Avery. 3M, it's a little bit harder, but the durability is great.
Yeah.
So remember, just to cut out, make sure to have a lot of overhang. The hood actually stops off right there, but we have a little bit of overhang just in case if we need it.
Just in case if it crinkles up and we need leverage to put our hands under it.
All right, so I don't actually have anything to do an overhead shot, but yeah, we did it before on the Accord when the hood flew off, right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. And that video is going to be in the description below or in that corner right there. That hood came out amazing. Probably one of the quickest hoods we've actually ever wrapped.
Yeah. Honestly, it took like 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Because you guys were at 7, then we're chilling with the boat guys. 7:30, and now it's 8.
Yeah. And I mean, the hardest part really was just the big bulge for the M3 hood. That really was the hardest part. And then just laid it all down with our magic gloves. Laid all this in. Boom, boom, boom. Came over here, trimmed it all off. And now we're doing this guy. Now this one's going to be fun because of how intricate this is. Manhole's already done the inlays. And now all we're going to do is just do the over portion, the overlay. And then we're going to actually overlay the bumper. Maybe probably do a...
Maybe, yeah.
I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but it looks like we're just going to have to overlay the bottom portion just because of how much it curves, because that's just a hard contour curve. That's a...
Big straight down.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
We'll see.
I mean, we'll work our magic and see it.
So, see you right back. What's going on, guys? We're almost done. I'd like to say we're halfway there, but we're not halfway there. We're like 90% of the way there. So I'm going to show you guys what we just did.
We play with the torch. That way it will help.
If you actually put a hole in it, oh my gosh. So we've got the hood on. We finished up all the wrap. All the wrap is actually done. Hood's done. The roof is done. The doors, the fenders, everything is done. Bumpers are done. The wide body kit is done. The fenders are done. Side skirts done. The only reason why we haven't touched the trunk, and it's because for one reason only, is because of this right here.
One song only.
Huh?
One song only.
One song and one song only. This guy, I tell you what. But because of that dent right there, the customer, what he really wants to do is do a carbon fiber trunk lid. And so we're going to keep that trunk lid exposed. And pretty much it's just going to be plug and play for him. But we are done. I had an idea what I really wanted to do, but he thought it was too feminine. But let me know what you think. Think about maybe surprising him by doing cherry blossoms or some kind of psychedelic wrap, because this, even though this color is beautiful and it's hard to tell on camera what color it is, I'll tell you, it's like an M3 color. It's a, what would you call it?
This is literally like looks like a factory M color. I mean, it's like a light, very, very light touch of blue kind of thing, like baby blue. It looks really like a light baby blue color. But it looks badass, I'll give him some. Especially with the black contrast, like, I want to see how it looks underneath the sun.
Next time you guys see it, it will be, what, fully assembled?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Alright, so I guess we'll see you then. What's going on, guys? Mehul got everything done, and this looks amazing. But if you notice right here, we're on to something. So we have some black silicone and some tape, and well, we're just gonna do a little homage, a little homage to the little Asian guy, the homeless Asian guy, right? That comes around, goes to your shop, bums off of you, takes your cigarettes, takes your alcohol,
Takes your Coke.
takes your Coke, and then has a nice big old chair right there. And we're actually about to do the RWB iconic black silicone gasket right here, all right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use painter's tape, and you're gonna have your black silicone right there, and we're about to tape this off real quick, but oh my gosh, this color looks amazing.
Dude, check it out from the front. Like,
Oh.
show it from the front. Like, dude, this thing looks badass.
So that is the color. It's hard to tell. And what color is this again?
That's a gloss cloudy blue. And if you guys do see some missed imperfections of the kit, I mean, this is the best we could get it to. I mean, we're not an auto body shop, but like, this is the most, because this kit was sitting in the sun and it didn't work. So we had to play with that, trying to get this nice and perfect. There's so much that we could have done with this kit.
Well, considering that and we're not calling out the owner of this vehicle, it is an aftermarket M3 hood, aftermarket from bumper, and aftermarket fenders, and then we also have an OEM 3 Series rear bumper, and that's why sometimes the kit won't sit flush and you'll have issues with it, but also with it being plastic, sitting out, and being a used kit, you're gonna have some sort of imperfections that we can't really get out.
And then the thing about this fender, as we talked about, it's a
Yeah,
plastic,
it's
a plastic fender.
it's a plastic metal hybrid fender, which is weird. It's lightweight, pretty durable, but also it kind
It
of
has this imperfections,
it-
fitment issues.
yeah. But
Unless you do a full factory OEM M3 parts, then that's when you'll have some better fitment.
but this color looks amazing. This kit came out actually
Came out
really
good.
really well, better than we expected. And all he needs is wheels, tires, and he's gonna be ready to go. Maybe bags or coilovers, but let's get this done. You gonna start calling me Jason?
No, dude, I'm gonna get you confused with the white guy.
No, Jason, not Jay Sean, but Jay Sean's Indian fool.
No, Jason.
Jason, no, Jason. Like S-A-N, like Nakai-san.
You mean Jason?
No, I know what I said. Hey, you almost fell, bro.
I forgot there was a little.